ever considered that sound, the frequency of sound, could change? I have.
Hello, my name is Kelsey, and my science fair project is on the effects of altitude on the frequency of sound waves.
In order to find whether my hypothesis was true or not, I conducted an experiment. In order to conduct this experiment, I hiked to the top of Tumalo Mountain so that on my way down I could stop at different altitudes to record sound waves. From the top of the mountain, I stopped every 500 feet to record 4 different pitches: low C, E, G, and high C, 3 times. I also recorded the altitude and air pressure. This process was also conducted on Bessie Butte for the lower altitudes. In total, I had 10 different elevations. I first recorded low C, then E, then G, and so on. After repeating this process at each elevation, I analyzed the data I'd recorded to see if there were any trends and formed some graphs to show the relationship between the frequencies of each pitch at the different altitudes. At each altitude, the frequency of the pitches did not change enough to perceive any real differences. So, unfortunately, while other factors like temperature and humidity can affect the frequency of sound, altitude does not. Nevertheless, this experiment was fascinating to conduct, and it broadened my knowledge of sound and the factors that may or may not affect it.